The question says there are two ways in which Patrick can go from his home to the store. The first way is either he goes this long way, that is, walking on this road, then on this road. So this is the longer way. Or there's another method, or you can say there's another way. He can just cut this field like this. Yeah. Now they are asking you, how much shorter is this trip? The shorter trip, how much shorter it is than your longer trip? So first of all, what is the longer trip? Longer trip
Um,
equals how much is this thing total? 20 plus?
90.
Yeah. So it's 90. And how much is this thing? 70 plus 50?
120.
Yeah. So the total longer trip is
210.
yes. Okay. Now for shorter trip, what we have to calculate? Shorter trip is your
Hyper.
hypotenuse. Yeah. It is hypotenuse because it is the side opposite to your 90-degree.
Mhm.
So now let's apply Pythagoras for this. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, which is x square, equals side 1, which is 90 square, plus side 2, which is 120 square. Yeah. What is 90 square? Whenever there's zero,
Um,
na, just write 2 0. If there's 1 0, write 2 0 and get the square of the remaining number. What is 9 square?
1,800. I mean, 8,100.
Similarly, 0, there's 0, 1 0, so write 2 0 in square. What is 12 square?
Um, one, one,
144.
1,400. 14,400.
Just add them.
22,500.
That is x square. So what will be x? Root of it?
Um, the root of
See,
22,500.
when you take square, you double this number of zeros. So when you take root, you will take half of number of zeros out. So there are 2, you will take out 1. Okay?
Mhm.
Now just get root of 225.
Um, that's 15.
Yes, we just did that, right?
Mhm.
It's 15. So your shorter trip is 150 meters. So they didn't give you a unit, you can take meters. Yeah. Okay, but what was the question? How much shorter is the trip? How much shorter? So how much shorter? Longer trip minus shorter trip. So longer trip minus shorter trip, that is 210 minus,
210 minus 150.
which gives you,
Um, 60
yeah, so it is 60 meters shorter.
meters.
Yeah, so that's the final answer. Okay, can you draw it on board?
Um,
Yes, that's correct. And you have to find what distance you have to find.
Half is my
Yeah.
starting point.
So this is from this point till this point. What is the distance? Like, and what is that would be your shortest distance. Yeah, so you can take the text, and this one is your hypotenuse now because it is opposite to your 90 degree. Yeah. So again, x square equals
Um,
what is
the
1200 square? See, there are two zeros, so there will be four zeros in square.
yeah, so it's 1,440,000.
Okay. Now what is 500 square? Again, four zeros, and
Yes.
5 square is 25.
Yep. So 250,000,
And what
and
what's the addition of there?
1,690,000.
Okay, so that is x square. What will be x? Root of that?
The root is 1,300.
Yeah, that's correct. There are four zeros, so you'll take out two zeros only, half of it. And then 169's root is 1, 3. Yeah, that's correct. Meters. Yeah.
This bird can, at a height of 5 meters from the ground, and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree.
Yeah. How would this figure look like? They are saying
Um,
there was a tree. Yeah. You want to draw it? There was a tree that just broke at 5-meter height from the ground. Earlier, its height was somewhere like from year to year. That was its original height. But we don't know that original height. But it broke from 5 meter from ground. And now this part which broke now touches ground, and its distance, like its top distance from the bottom of tree is 12. So we can take this as x, and if this is x, this is also x because they are same thing. Now who is hypotenuse? This we can see this thing is making a right angle triangle because your tree is 90 degree to ground. So now just apply your Pythagoras to this. This will be x square. X is your hypotenuse. X square equals 5 square plus 12 square.
so 5 squared is 25. And 12 squared is 144. So the sum of that is 169. And x is equal to the square root of 169, which is 13.
Yeah. So you got x as 13. So now what will be the total height of the tree? The earlier height, the original height?
13.
No, it's 5. Still 5 is there,
Oh,
right?
oh yeah. Then it would be 18.
Yes. The final height of your tree is 18 meters. Okay. Guess that's all for the day. Like, if